សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះយើងរៀន adjectives. So for adjectives today, but the main thing I want to teach you that is expression. So expression in Khmer is like a very the meaning. So let pronounce it 1 2 3 4. The first one ឆ្ងាយ The second ជិត Third you. Four ឆាប់ and expression is the meh. So when you say meh, connect with that all that adjective. The first one like ឆ្ងាយ meh. It means like you tell people that are very far the place. So like ឆ្ងាយ meh. It's like you complaining. Why this place too far? That means very far, that expression. And you say ជិត meh. ជិត near. So something like ជិត meh is like very close. And you meh is like why it take you so long to get here? Something like that, you know, you meh. Like you've been waiting there too long. And then you say you meh. And then the four ឆាប់ meh is mean like it take like a second to get it. So it say ឆាប់ meh. លឿន meh. Quick, like very quick, you know, something very quick. You say ឆាប់ meh.